Tired of hunting through eBay settings just to change your phone number? I know the feeling. You need it for account recovery, for notifications, for two-factor authentication, but the menu feels like it's buried. I will show you the exact clicks to get it done in under a minute. So here is the plan. First, sign into eBay and head over to Account Settings. Then we will navigate to Personal Information, and from there, we edit and verify your new phone number. It sounds simple, and it is, but I have tested this exact path myself, so I know exactly which buttons you need to press and what that verification screen looks like if it pops up. All right, let us start. Open your browser and go to ebay.com. Just type that in. Now, sign in to your eBay account. Put in your email and your password and hit that sign in button. This might take a second to load up your homepage. Okay, once you are on the main page, look to the left side of the screen. You will see your name or your username right there. Just hover your mouse over it. Do not click it yet, just hover. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, go ahead and click Account Settings. It is usually right near the top of that list. Now you are on the Settings page. On the left-hand side, you will see a menu. Click on the option that says Account. It is right under your name. And here is the important part. On that account page, look down the left sidebar again. Under the section that says Personal Info, you want to select Personal Information. Yes, it is a little redundant, but that is exactly where you need to click. Give it a moment to load that new page. You will see a few different sections here. Scroll down until you find the one labeled Phone. On the right side of your current phone number, you will see a blue link that says Edit. Click that. A small window or a new section should open up. Now, just type in your new phone number. Make sure you include the correct country code if you are entering an international number. Now, pay close attention to this step because this is where most people get confused. eBay might ask you to verify your identity before it lets you save the number. This is a security thing, and it is actually a good sign. They care about protecting your account. If this prompt shows up, you will probably have a few options. You might get a text message with a code sent to your old number, or they might send a code to your email. Sometimes you can use your Authenticator app, or they will ask you a few security questions. Just pick the method that works best for you. Enter that verification code exactly as you see it. Once that is done, click the Save button at the bottom. You should see a quick confirmation message that your phone number has been updated. And that is it. You are done. Your correct number is on file, everything is verified, and you will not miss those important alerts anymore. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one.